This is the end of an era. A name that screams power, and trust me, it delivers. Meet the Mammoth 1000, the 2024 Final Edition RAM TRX. Built by Hennessey Performance, this beast is based on the Ram 1500 TRX, already a monster on its own. But now, it's been dialed up to an entirely different dimension. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 Hellcat engine now pushing out a jaw-dropping 1,012 horsepower and 969 torque. This isn't just a truck, it's a predator, designed to hunt raptors and make Cybertrucks sweat. This is more than muscle, it's craftsmanship with attitude. And with only 200 units worldwide, this is one of the rarest monsters ever made. It's a farewell to raw, unfiltered power in a world going electric. The Final Edition RAM TRX isn't just a truck, it's a legacy on wheels. 0 to 60, just 3.2 seconds. In a pickup truck, let that sink in. If you love power, performance, and machines that make no apologies, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Car IQ, where horsepower lives.